dear queen. And what have you done of yourself? Wear proper clothes, jewelry, and come with me. What's the reason of your anger? See the residents of Ayodhya. They are dancing in joy to bring in Ram's coronation. And without you, my dear queen, the joy is incomplete. Let's go.
Today is Ram's coronation, isn't it?
Yes.
Then I'm sure you don't remember anything else.
What is it?
On this joyous occasion, let me remind you of something.
But first you get ready and then we can talk about
No,
it.
Maharaj, we need to talk right now.
Right now?
Yes.
Okay, tell me.
Do you remember, long time ago, in one of your wars, I was your Sarathi?
Yes, I remember. And you proved that my life and happiness is more valuable than yours.
Then you must also remember that you had promised me 2 boons.
Yes, of course, I remember. And it's a pride of Raghu dynasty to keep to their promises. And today I am very happy, Kaikai, very happy. Ask, what do you want?
No, Maharaj, I am not going to ask you anything until you take an oath on Ram's name that you will fulfill my 2 boons.
Ram?
Yes, Ram.
Okay. I swear on the person who is more important than my own life, on my son Ram, that I'll fulfill whatever you ask. Ask, Kaikai, ask. What do you want?
Maharaj, you have just taken his promise. Now, you will have to fulfill my 2 boons. So let me ask you. My first boon will be that the throne of Ayodhya should be adorned to my son Bharat, and Bharat should be the king of Ayodhya.
You are joking, right? Ram's coronation is going. Everyone is taking Ram's name. And you are taking Bharat's name?
No, Maharaj, I am not joking. Now it will not be your son Ram who will be the king.
Why are you saying your son Ram? Isn't he your son too, like Bharat?
I am not done yet, Maharaj. Now listen to my second boon. My second boon is that Ram should take an exile for 14 years.
Kaikai! Stay in your limit.
Maharaj, you have just taken his promise. Now you cannot back down. You will have to complete my 2 boons.
Kaikai, what are you saying? First, you used to say, I wish Ram was born in my womb. Today you are saying such things for the same son. Kaikai, how can you be so hard-hearted towards him? What happened to you, Kaikai?
Remember, the king will be breaking his promises.
What test is this? For which mistake? For which mistake are you punishing me?
Mistake? I have only asked you for my 2 boons. And if you didn't want to complete, then why did you even give me on the first place? And what is the big problem? Isn't Bharat your son too? And what is that you say? Raghurit sada chali aaye, pran jaye par vachan na jaye. Wah, wah Maharaj, wah. And what about this vachan that you gave me? And Bharat is also your son. If not, then go back to your favorite son. Go, make him the king. And forget the promises that you made to me.
Kaikai, how disgusted you are. Aren't you ashamed? Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Do you know how much of your boon is going to hurt Ram and Bharat? No one will forgive you, Kaikai. No one. Listening to your words, I am in pain, Kaikai.
You are in pain. I am the one who should be in pain to see how you have deceived me.
Deceived you?
Yes, you have deceived me and my son Bharat. Tell me why this urgency today in the absence of Bharat? And you did not even invite my father for the coronation. Isn't this a conspiracy against us? I sense duplicity.
Kai. Now, I cannot believe that you, Kai, you could stoop such low. And today, I have lost all respect for you, Kai. I disown you.
I have just asked you for my right, and you have taken me out of your heart. What big thing have I asked? And you were the one to promise my father that you would make my son Bharat the king. And today, you do not want to keep to that promise. And you are questioning me as a mother. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Enough! You want Bharat, king of Ayodhya. I name Bharat the king of Ayodhya, and I complete this vow.
And what about Ram?
Kai, how can you send Ram for exile? Ram is my everything, and I can't even think of surviving without him. And aren't you afraid of the gods?
I am not begging you, Maharaj. I am just asking you for what is rightfully mine. And you are Ayodhya Naresh. At the end of the day, the decision is all yours.
Kai, what kind of a mother you are? Do you know that if Ram is not there, how will I live, Kai? And does it make difference that if your husband is dead or alive? Kai, I beg you, Kai, don't send Ram for exile, Kai.
A king begging does not look good. Rather, he should be fulfilling his promises like a true king.
Kai, please, Kai, don't do that. And if I would know earlier that there'll be one such day where my most beloved queen will be accursed to me, the cause of my death.
Father, what happened to you? Mother, why father? It's in this state. Father, please get up. What happened to you, father? Mother, what happened to father? I was told father wants to talk something very, very, very important with me. And seeing him in this situation?
Ask your father. He will not be able to speak. He fears that he will displease you. And that's why he's in this situation. Only you can help him, Ram. Only you can help him.
Tell me, mother, how can I help my father?
Long back, he had promised me 2 boons. And now, when it is a time to keep, he's regretting. One side, his love and attachments for his favorite son. And the other, his duties as a true king. Only you can help him, Ram.
Mother, it's a great honor of a son to fulfill his father's promises. My love for him is endless. Mother, please tell the boons.
My first boon was my son Bharat should be the king of Ayodhya. And second was that you take an exile for 14 years.
That's it, mother.
Ram, don't listen to her, Ram.
Father, please wait. That's it, mother. My brother Bharat becoming the king is the best news for me, mother. To follow the orders of my father, it is to be my duty, and to fulfill your desires. It is my greatest honor, mother. Greatest honor. Mother,
Ram,
mother,
no, Ram,
give me
please.
permission. Let me keep your promises. Mother, why you needed to bother father? You could have just come to me, and I would have fulfilled your both the boons.
Ram!